Then I'm going to hand over to Dana, who will provide us some information about how to prepare good papers.
Awesome. Okay, so I am here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. A little bit about me. I am a PhD. I have my doctorate in communications, media, and instructional technology, as Mark said, from the University of, it is Indiana University of Pennsylvania. And a lot of time people try to, rather in this section than just report their findings, they try to discuss their findings. That's supposed to be a completely separate section. So you have your findings, you report just the statistics or just the data that's been collected. Then in a separate section, you have your discussion where you actually talk about what this information means. And don't worry about if your English is bad. Don't worry about if it's out of order. Just write, because then you will fix it. Then you will refine it. Then you will add transitions between ideas, proofread the content, the logic, and the flow.